Everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we are going to see the Shiba coin, friends. What surprises goes in the Shiba coin? A lot of people personally message me on to please make a video on Shiba coin, which is very best for investment at this time. As you can see here, the best stock, the better stock is that as you can see here, the price of Shiba coin is very low. That is why it's a best for investment. 0.0000001 USD dollar is the current price of Shiba coin. If you look the change occur in the Shiba coin, so absolutely a good change occur in Shiba coin. As you can see here, the last 1 day change is in positive, the last 1 week change is in positive, but unfortunately they are fast down for a little time. But don't worry, it is a continuously fast, not it is a temporary fast for a little time. As you can see here, that is only in the last 1 hour fast down occurs in the Shiba coin, friends. So friends, if you want to invest in a cryptocurrency market, so absolutely Shiba coin is best for investment in this time, friends. Now let's see for more details the price prediction of the Shiba coin. Before starting this interesting video, friends, if you are new on my channel, so kindly subscribe my channel for more news and updates, friends. Now let's see the price chart of the Shiba coin after last 1 day, friends. As I told you in the start of this video that the last 1 hour, as you can see here, at this period they fasted for a little time, but after this time, after some time, they again take a jump. So don't worry about this fast. If you are a holder of Shiba coin, so please don't worry about this fast. That is the temporary fast of Shiba coin. As you can see here, at this time also fast occur, and after a fast take a high jump Shiba coin, friends. So same process occur at this time, take a fast down, and after this fast take a high jump, friends. So don't worry, don't lose hope at this time, friends. If you are a holder of the Shiba coin, friends, so my suggestion for you to please hold Shiba coin. As you can see here, in the last 1 day they hit 0.002 USD dollar, friends. As you can see here, so they soon I think in 2022 they can easily head to 3 USD dollar. They can easily head in 2022. So what's your opinion about that? Please share in the comment box. And if we look the change occurred in Shiba coin in the last 1 day, so the change is about positive 9.82%, and the current price at this time, the price of Shiba coin is again fast down, because as you can see here they fast down. That is why the price has become a 1, and here is the highest price of Shiba is about 2, friends. So what's your opinion about Shiba coin? As it a best for investment? My suggestion for all of you, if you invest in a cryptocurrency, so a Shiba coin is best for investment due to the low price of Shiba coin, friends. That is why I prefer Shiba coin from other cryptocurrencies, friends. So what's your opinion? Please share in the comment box, and kindly, if you want this kind of more news and updates about cryptocurrency, so please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep support.